This is Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com, the number one handicapper in the country. And boy, is this week big. I don't know if we can ever match last week's results. We went 15-3 from Thanksgiving Day all the way through Monday night. So you're looking for the hottest handicapper in the country, you found him. And what do we have going on this month? Well, we don't call it December. Paramount Sports, we call it Double Down December. And I know everyone loves their sales right after Thanksgiving. You know, they love the Black Friday. They love the Cyber Monday. But how about this? If you use coupon code SAVE200, normally $447, Double Down December, every single game on our executive phone service from now through December 31st, just $247. Let me repeat that. Coupon code SAVE200 has $247, or through the Super Bowl, normally $647. Use coupon code SAVE300, just $347. So this is bigger than any sale you'll get anywhere. The value's there. We win. We won 29 out of 30 years. We're winning again this year. And also, big weekend for the UFC. UFC pay-per-view card. You can get that on the website. Check that out. So Double Down December. If you use coupon code SAVE200, just $247, or the end of the year special through the Super Bowl, and that includes rest of the college football, all the college football bowls, NFL regular season, playoffs, and Super Bowl in mid-February, just $347. ParamountSports.com, or call 800-400-9741. Start winning today.